Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an interior and exterior deep clean on a Peugeot 308. The car is ceramic coated, so the main aim is getting the ceramic coating back to life and giving the interior a really nice fresh reset. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so as I said, the car is ceramic coated, so the main aim is trying to bring the coating back to life basically. So I'm just going to go for a basic decon on the paintwork. So it's just going to include fallout remover and tar and glue remover. I may use a clay bar or a clay mitt if I need to, but obviously I'll work that out once I've cleaned the car to see how it's performing. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Right, okay, so the basic wash process is done, but the coating, I'm going to say it's pretty clogged because not sure if you can hear that, but there's quite a few contaminants on the paint. So like I said, I'm going to decontaminate it. I mean, there is some hydrophobic properties. I'm not sure if this is a hydrophobic coating or hydrophilic. So if you don't know the difference, hydrophilic is so it like sheets off, and then obviously hydrophobic is really beady. So obviously I'm going to decon it now, and then we'll see how it looks after. But yeah, there is some beading on the front bumper. There was a bit of sheeting as well on around this area. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with decontaminating it now. I'm just going to spray fallout remover all over the car, grab a brand new microfiber and just agitate it, and then see how that looks. I might have to go in with a clay mitt as well, but I don't want to cause too much damage to the paintwork as it's a black car and it's not getting polished. So I don't want to be out here absolutely butchering the paint and it's not being corrected. So I'm just going to keep that in mind when I do decontaminate it. Right, okay, so I've gone around the car twice now with the fallout remover. I mean, it's better than it was, but it's very weak performing. I'm going to say it is a hydrophobic coating instead of hydrophilic, because it is trying to bead up. It's not trying to sheet at all, it is trying to bead up. But I mean, marks like this, yeah, I don't know, really don't know. I mean, from here down it's completely dead. The coating is completely dead, as you can see. And the roof has a little bit to it, like it's slowly beading off a bit, but, and I think it was redone as well. I might be wrong. I think Ryan had something painted and then they redone it for him. So yeah, I mean it's slowly sheeting up actually, that panel compared to here, but it's very, like I said, it's very weak. So I'm just going to put a sealant on it now. I'm not going to use wax or anything. I'm just literally going to use Geon wet coat and just see if I can feed the coating at all. Yeah, I mean, it's a lovely car though. Look, it is really glossy, to be fair. So yeah, let's crack on with putting some Geon wet coat on. Right, okay, so as you can obviously see, the car is now inside. The exterior obviously doesn't matter right now. Just the tyres at the end. But time to crack on with the interior. So it is a deep clean, so it's going to be steamer, wet vac, obviously hoover. And yeah, just give everything a good clean, including the seats. Yeah, just make everything look really fresh. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, okay, so front passenger's done, the back is done. I have videoed it, but for some reason it hasn't saved on my phone, so that's not ideal. But yeah, I just need to finish giving everything a final wipe over at the end, and do the glass and things like that. But just the driver's side to do now, and then I'll give everything a wipe over, do door shuts, tyre shine, and then yeah, so I'm gonna time lapse me doing that bit now.
Nice.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit different, doing a deep clean at the unit, but I thought book it in at the unit saves any weather issues, so that's what was best, and that's what we decided. So just going to run you through what was done. So it's a full deep clean inside and out. So it's just a basic exterior wash with a full decontamination to try and bring the coating back to life. That hasn't happened, so I've let Ryan know, the guy who owns the car, and he's going to sort that out. and for the interior it was a full steam and wet vac of all the carpets, floor mats, seats, windows, door cards, basically everything. And yeah, just gave it a really nice refresh really, which was needed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.